Hello everybody, this is Fred Stewart with Stewart Group Realty, and I am happy to be able to spend a little bit more time today with GaSandra Carlson from Envoy Mortgage. GaSandra, how you doing?
Good, how are you today, Fred?
Today, she is going to spend a little time educating all of us about the FHA 203K loan. Now everybody, I am excited about talking to you about this because as a realtor, it's one of those loans that I've done before and I've heard about, but I don't think enough people know about it, and that's because as realtors and a lot of loan officers, we don't talk about it enough. So this is a video talking about one of the better home improvement loans available right now for borrowers, especially first-time home buyers. GaSandra, thank you for spending this time with us.
My pleasure, Fred.
Why don't you go ahead and educate us about the FHA 203K loan?
Absolutely. So the FHA 203K loan is a rehab or renovation loan, whichever way you want to call it. What we do is we will lend you money to make repairs to the house. So let's say you find a home, you love it, but you don't like those cabinets in the kitchen. They're just dated. We can lend you the money to get those cabinets replaced. There's a mini streamline that will go up to $35,000, and then there's a full, which the FHA loan limit in Tri-County is $408,250. So we can go up to that loan amount. What we do is we base our down payment and everything on future value. So if the appraiser says that if you purchase for $200,000, you put $50,000 worth of repairs in there, but when it's done, it's going to be worth $325,000. We're going to base our loan off of $325,000. And then as you go, the builder makes draws out of the account and he pays himself back to do the repairs.
Now, when a person decides to get a loan like this, what kind of repairs can they do?
You know, there's really, for FHA, anything but luxury items. So as long as you're not planning on putting in a swimming pool or a tennis court, basically it can be included.
So if I need to put on a new roof, or update the bathroom. Maybe I got a Brady Bunch bathroom and I want a bathroom more today. I can paint the house.
Yeah, new windows, new roof, electrical, if you want to add a new air conditioner. I mean, we'll even do maybe some structural add-ons like adding a room.
Now, is this loan allowed on just single families? What kind of homes can we do this loan on?
You know, actually, for FHA, they'll do it on a single family, but they'll also allow for townhomes and condominiums, so, and that's up to a 2 to 4 unit property that you want to buy. Condos are limited to the 4 units.
Wow. So if somebody wanted to buy a duplex, because we've seen a lot of people these days buying duplexes, living in one side, renting the other one out, or let's say if their mother and father is moving in with them, they'll, say, hey, instead of us moving into one house together, why don't we buy a duplex or a threeplex together? And then, so this would be perfect for those
Correct.
Situations.
We could definitely do that.
So they could buy the property and...
as long as they occupy one of those units as their primary residence.
Wow.
Totally fine.
Now, approaching this loan, who is the person that verifies that the work has been done? Does the lender do that, or is there something that the borrower has to do to make sure that the repairs are done?
You know, that's all part of the closing costs. We will have an inspector, and it's usually the appraiser, that will go out there and say, yes, all the repairs have been put into the house.
Let's say the property has got a lot of repairs it needs. And really, it's not a good idea to live in the property, especially, let's say, an older home where there may be lead and asbestos and stuff involved. Is there a way to borrow enough money to cover the payments for a while?
Yes, if the repairs are health and safety reasons, we can lend up to 6 months worth of payments so they can live somewhere else while the repairs are being done.
Great, so that means you buy it in June. Basically, you've got till December to get the repairs done. It probably won't take that long.
Yeah.
But, if it takes that long, it does. But say, your average person is probably 60, 90 days tops.
Correct. That's the goal.
And that's the goal. And they can come in and move into the house, and the house is all ready for them.
Beautiful.
Well, hey, thank you for taking the time today. I know you're busy to educate us about this incredible loan. We're going to do more videos with you, right?
Yes, absolutely. I love
so
it.
later on, I want to talk about the other loans that are out there that help people who are buying homes borrow a little bit extra money so that they can fix up on them.
Absolutely, I'd
Okay.
love to.
Now, if anybody's got any questions, what's your phone number?
My cell phone number is 503-351-1802.
And what is your email address?
My email address is gcarlson@envoymortgage.com.
Everybody, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I encourage you, whether you are thinking about buying a home right now, refinancing a home right now that needs a little work, give her a call if you have any questions. And don't just assume anything. I've been telling borrowers, ignore what you read on the internet. Things change in the lending industry every day. It is very easy to be misled. I'm introducing you to this great loan officer who's been around for how long now?
I've been in the business for over 30 years.
So that you know that there is an expert out there who's got the experience that can advise you effectively. So anyway, I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to give her a call. You all have a very good day.
Bye.